In this Cranfield University Quick Bite video, we look at page numbers in the Cranfield Thesis template. In your thesis, page numbers should be omitted from the cover page and title page. Numbering should then begin on the abstract page with a lowercase Roman numeral I. Notice here the page number has been removed. Double-click into the footer area on the abstract page. The section number should be different to the previous pages. Here on the abstract page, the footer section is numbered 1. I would expect to see this as section 2 or section 3. This indicates that a section break is indeed missing from a previous page. The title page footer also displays section 1, as does the cover page. To insert a section break, close the header and footer ribbon, then click the Show Hide command in the paragraph group on the Home ribbon to make it easier to see the breaks as you insert them. Next, click at the end of the page where you want to insert a section break. In this example, I will begin by inserting a section break at the end of the cover page. Click the Layout tab, then click Breaks, and under Section Breaks, select Odd Page. I'll repeat these steps at the end of the title page. From the Layout tab, click Breaks, then under Section Break, click Odd Page. Now the sections have been created, return to the bottom of the abstract page and double-click the footer area. Notice this is now section 3, with sections 2 and 1 respectively on the previous pages. Ensure your cursor is positioned in the center of the footer area on the abstract page. Then click the Page Number button on the Header and Footer Tools Design ribbon. Select either Bottom of Page and Plain Number 2, or Current Position, Plain Number. If the number doesn't appear as a lowercase Roman numeral or is any number other than 1 or I, right-click the page number and select Format Page Numbers. To change from Arabic to Roman numerals, use the Number Format drop-down list. To change the value of the page number, for example to start at 1, use the page numbering settings and select Start At. Type 1 in the box and then click OK. If page numbers appear on the cover and title pages, you will need to unlink the sections. To do this, click into the footer of the abstract page, then click the Link to Previous command on the Header and Footer Tools Design ribbon to disable the link between section 3 and the previous section. Now you can safely delete the page numbers on the title and cover pages. Page numbering should begin again at page 1 from chapter 1 using standard Arabic numbering. Here though, we can see chapter 1 Introduction is starting on page 13. This needs correcting. Scroll to the bottom of the first page in chapter 1 and double-click in the footer area. Right-click the current page number and select Format Page Numbers. In the page numbering section, select Start At, type 1 in the box and then click OK. Navigate back up to the table of contents. Right-click on the list and select Update Field. Then click Update Entire Table to see the changes to the page numbers for the chapters. In this document, the page number has reset back to 1 again in the middle of chapter 3. Here we can see page 85 is in portrait orientation and the following page is landscape. The landscape page should be numbered as page 86. Use the same steps as before to edit the page number. Double-click in the footer area on the landscape page. Right-click on the page number and select Format Page Numbers. Only this time in the page numbering section, select Continue from Previous Section as you want the page numbers to be consecutive from the page above. The page number for the landscape page has changed to 87. The following page is 88. Perfect. The page before the landscape page, however, is page 85, so this document is currently missing page 86. This is caused by the use of an odd page section break, which has been inserted incorrectly at the end of page 85. This needs to be changed to a next page section break. To change the type of section break used in your document, click at the beginning of the following section. Here, that will be the top of the landscape page. Click the Layout tab, then open the Page Setup dialog box by clicking the arrow in the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. Click the Layout tab in the dialog box, then in the Section Start drop-down list, select New Page, then click OK. The section break on page 85 has now been changed to a next page section break, and the landscape page is now page 86.